Ahoy, this is Zdenka. I'm always on a hunt for the perfect, budget-friendly, portable, small, beginners-friendly light. I've been on this platform for over 6 years now. I started literally from zero budget, went through bad selections of lights with loud fans, all the way to good ones. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create lighting on a budget to level up your YouTube videos, reels, shorts, B-roll, or product commercials with this newly released ML100Bi. I will also tell you everything about this light at the end of the video for those who are also on a hunt for a good video light. This video is brought to you by Godox. Every new creator starts with natural light, and when it comes to natural light, there are really only two important tips I would give you. It is best to face the window, but close the blinds if you can to get softer light. If you have windows in a background behind you, close the blinds completely so you don't have a bright window that can really disturb the background. Let's leave the natural light and bring the production to the next level with an actual light. When you grab a light like this Godox ML100Bi and just use it out of the box without any light modifiers, you will get a really harsh light on your face that doesn't look good at all. You can see the harsh shadows around the nose. It's not flattering at all. If you don't have light modifiers, what you can do is turn the light around. Place white sheet or white blanket to bounce the light back on you. You will get a much softer look around your face. You can already see how the shadow around the nose gets softer. It's pretty amazing that such a small light can produce such strong light. I checked in the papers and it says that it can deliver 34,300 lux at 1 meter, which is 3.3 feet. The best option would be using a softbox with this grid. I have here a Godox AD-S60S 23.6 inch or 60 centimeters softbox. That is a good size. It's not too small. You want to position softbox as close to you as possible to create a soft light effect. Then you can select the strength of the light with their app. I'm going to hit the daytime light 5600 Kelvin preset and adjust the strength. So this would be the base portrait light. Then in the background, you can just add some lamp or LED lights to create the mood. This is what I normally do. This is my typical look in all my videos. I'm all about the color. I like to change the looks based on what I am wearing. Light with softbox is also great for product filming. I like to light up the product with a softbox to get soft light, and again, the grid is going to direct the light onto the product. It's not going to spill all over the place. I was filming this part with an iPhone 16 Pro and had lots of fun using the Telesen smoke machine. It has a very unique feature that others don't have. You can select this dry ice and have the smoke spill all over. Let's play the final clip. Well, this was the practical part of lighting different scenes with this light. Whenever I get a new product, I like to always throw it into the real life situations. I'm not an engineer. Numbers really don't mean much to me. So I practically want to see what the product can do, how it can help me in my production. Would I recommend this light? Yes, I would. 100%. There are many reasons why. It's small, it has a fan, but I found that the fan is very quiet. It's not interfering with audio. That is the most important part for me personally. If I compare it to the other light I have here, Godox has a bigger softbox. This one is small. Bigger softbox is always better. This light is bigger. This one is smaller. You can take this one also on locations. Just attach a V-mount battery or a power bank. The light accepts a maximum input power of 120 watts. In the studio, you would just use the AC power. I have the very basic kit. So it came with a light, lamp head protective cover, holder, adapter, AC power cord, instruction manual, and lens reflector 15 degrees. They also have other kits available with even more accessories such as 35 degrees lens reflector, power bank holder, mini tripod, 30 centimeters diffusion dome, V-mount holder. I like that you have the flexibility to go just with the light, or you can choose the kit based on your production needs. I like that it doesn't have too many buttons. It is just simple to use. Power button, mode button, and adjustable wheel. So if I go with basic CCT mode, I can adjust the strength like this, or if I push the wheel, I can now adjust the warmth. The color temperatures offered are between 2800 Kelvin and 6500 Kelvin. If I press the mode button, it will take me to effects, but those I'll show you in the app as they can be fully customized. Something you can do with other lights I've introduced on my channel so far. The Godox app is also very simple. At the top are modes, CCT and FX. Let's stay with CCT mode. You just drag the slider to make the light warmer or cooler. You can also select one of these 4 presets. Intensity slider is at the bottom. Push left to dim the light. Push right to make the light stronger. Let's go to the FX mode. There is a large selection of FX such as flash, lighting, cloudy, broken bulb, TV, candle, fire, fireworks, explosion, welding, and SOS. As I mentioned earlier, each of these modes can be customized further. Let's select candle for example. Here you can adjust the strength of the light with the intensity slider and also speed of the effect. Now it goes slower, and now it is faster. Lighting has even more controls. The first is the light strength. Then you can select how many times you want the light to flash. It goes from 1 to 10, and it also has a random option. Frequency starts at 2 a minute to 20 a minute or random. Here you can also adjust the light temperature. You can go with warmer light or cooler light. This all is offered under automatic mode. You can, however, select manual mode, where you can select your preferred intensity, flash times, and light temperature. Once it is all set, you just hit the play button to create the effect when you need it. That feature is great, as I haven't really seen it with any other light. This is very unique and super helpful when you just need that effect to happen at a certain time during filming. Another big one is flash. Here you can just adjust intensity, light temperature, flash speed. It goes from 1 to 100. Or you can select bulb that will give a very different effect look. In this mode, you can also option for manual control. There are 2 controls available here, intensity and light temperature. So what do you think about this light? Let me know in the comment section below the video in the video description. Feedback is always greatly appreciated. You know I read it all and I always respond. I'm pretty sure that Godox will read that as well. Link to this light can be found below the video in a video description. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video helpful and don't forget to subscribe for more. I will see you perhaps in one of these next. See you there. Ciao. Ahoj.